everybody, my name is Cameron and I'm so excited to be here with Anders today, a junior in Lever, to talk more about your project, AAPoker. So could you tell us a little bit about it?
Yeah, of course. So AAPoker actually stands for either my name, Anders iStars Poker, or Aces Poker, which is the best hand in poker. So this is just the homepage, and there's a little rules side with just all of the hands in poker, ranging from the best to the worst hand, just following the standard Texas Hold'em poker rules. There's also a leaderboard with all of the users and chips in the database right now. So at the moment, Anders iStars is the winner with the most amount of chips. And then just a little about page about myself and the website. So for the game itself, everyone's given initially 1,000 chips to play with, and you can see that your chip count on the top with your username. So when you start a new game, you have to check initially to get it started, and then you have your own hand. You can see your own chips, the boss chips, and then the pot. The pot is actually always going to be 20 initially because you're taking the ante from each player, just like a normal poker game. So right now, like my hand's 10-3, not a very good hand in poker, and you can't see the bot's hand until the river. So I'll just fold that. But then if I want to play this next one, oh, the bot folded. Sorry. And then, so if I want to play this hand, let's say I'll bet 100 chips. The bot calls, I'll see the flop. I don't necessarily like the flop, so I'll check. The bot checks back. I'll bet 100 more on the turn. And the bot calls, and the bot actually always, so the bot won the hand. He had a pair, or a two pair, and the logic for the bot is it'll fold if it doesn't have a pair, and it'll call or check based on either ranging from a pair to a straight, and then raising if it has better than that. And you can play again, and that's pretty much how the logic for my game works. So yeah.
Amazing, thank you so much. This is super, super impressive and super complex logic behind it. I would love to hear, what was your favorite part of working on the project this semester?
On this specific project?
Yeah.
Yeah, I would say my favorite part was really working on the bot's logic itself, because I've never actually had experience like that before, where I've had to code something else, or like a different user kind of making their own decisions. And I thought that was really interesting to me because, I mean, it seems like it's like AI, and it's kind of a start to that, but yeah, that was most interesting for me.
Yeah, that's so, so cool. Thank you so much for sharing your project with us today. It's super impressive.
Yeah.
So thank you so much again. My name is Cameron, and this was CS50.